Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivbrat Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 4 parts and rules, and today's topic is multiplication and division of fractions. Okay students, please open page number 39. Please open page number 39. Question number 28. Okay students, now let's start question number 28. Question number 28 is find. Question number 28. Question number 28 have 6 part. Okay, look at here carefully. Question number 28 of A is 2 whole 1 over 3 of 1 by 4. Okay students, and question number 28 of B is 5 over 7 of 14 over 20. Okay students, look at here carefully. In this question, here given that 2 whole 1 over 3 of 1 by 4. It means that in this question we have to take the multiplication of this and this. Okay, it means that in this question we have to take the multiplication of 2 whole 1 over 3 by 1 by 4. Okay, look at here carefully. Firstly we can write 2 mixed 1 over 3 multiply by 1 over 4. Okay students, look at here carefully. Here given that a mixed fraction. Okay students, therefore we have to change this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Look at here carefully. Firstly we have to take the multiplication of 3 and 2, then add 1 over 3 multiply by 1 over 4. Okay, after multiplying this we get 3 2s are 6 plus 1 over 3 into 1 by 4. Okay students, 6 plus 1 is 7 over 3 multiply by 1 over 4. Okay students, look at here carefully. Here we have to take the multiplication of numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Okay, after multiplying these we get 7 1 ja 7 over 3 4 ja 12. Understand? This is the answer of question number 20 of A. Okay, similarly we can solve all given questions. Look, in question number 28 of B, here given that 5 over 7 of 14 over 20. Okay, look at here carefully. Firstly we have to take the multiplication sign. It means that the multiply sign in place of this of, okay, and here we can write 14 over 20. Distance, look at here carefully. We know that (14) to the, here we have to break 14 is equal to 2 7 ja 14 and 20 is equal to 2 10 ja 20, 5 4 ja 20, 5 4 ja 20. Okay, understand? Look, here we can write 2 multiply by 7 in place of 14, and here we can write 4 multiply by 5 in place of 20. Here we can write 4 multiply by 5 or 5 multiply by 4. Okay, understand? Okay students, look at here carefully. Here we can take 5 multiply by 2 multiply by 7 over 7 multiply by 5 multiply by 4. Distance, look at here carefully. Here we get 5 in numerator and 5 in denominator. Okay, therefore we can cancel this 5. Understand? Similarly, here we get 7 7 cancel out. Okay students, look at here carefully. After solving this, here we get 2 over 4 2 over 4. Okay, we know that Recalls table of 2 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. After solving these, here we get 1 by 2. This is the answer of this question. Okay students, look at here carefully. Here given that 5 over 7 of 14 over 20. Students, here we have to take the multiplication of 5 by 7 and 14 by 20. Understand? After solving this, we get 1 by 2. Okay. If any student have doubt in question number 28 of A and 28 of B, please ask me. Now read this. Question number 28 of C. Question number 28 of C. Here given that 13 whole 1 over 6 of 12 over 19. And question number 28 of D is 8 over 18, 11, 8 over 11 of 5 whole 3 over 2. Okay students, look at here carefully. Firstly, we have to change the given mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Here we can take the multiplication of 6 by 13 and add 1 over 6 multiply by, here we can take multiply sign in place of this of, okay, and here we can write 12 over 19. Understand? Look, after multiplying these, we get 6 3 ja 18 of 8 carry 1, 6 1 ja 6 plus 1 is 7 plus 1 over 6 into 12 over 19. Okay, 78 plus 1 is 79 over 6 multiply by 12 over 19. Distance, look at here carefully. Here given that 6, here 2, 12, here given that 6, here 12. Okay, recalls table of 6, 6 1 ja 6 and 6 2 ja 12. Understand? 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. Okay, again we have to take the multiplication by this and this and this and this. After multiplying these, we get 2 9 ja 18 of 8 carry 1, 2 7 ja 14 plus 1 is 15 over 19 1 ja 19. Okay students, here we get 158 over 19. Okay, good students, this is an improper fraction. Therefore, we have to change this improper fraction into a mixed fraction by taking the division of 158 by 19. Okay students, recalls table of 19, 19 8 ja look, 8 9 ja 72 after carry 7. This one please keep in mind. 8 1 ja 8 plus 7 is 8 plus 7 is 15. Okay, after subtracting these, here we get 8 minus 2 is 6, 5 minus 5 is 0, it means that cancel out. 1 minus 1 is 0, it means that cancel out. After solving these, we get 8 mixed 6 over 19. Okay, after solving these, we get 8 mixed 6 over 19. It means that 8 whole 6 over 19. This is the answer of this question. Okay, understand? Okay, students, look, in this question, here given that 8 over 11 of 5 whole 3 over 2. This one here given that a mixed fraction, therefore we have to change this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Okay, look at here carefully. Here we can write 8 over 18 as same, and here we can take multiply sign in place of this of. Okay, and here we get 5 mixed 3 over 2, therefore we can take the multiplication of 2 by 5, then add 3 over 2. Okay, here we can take 8 over 11 as same. 2 5 is 10 plus 3 is 13 over 2. Distance, look at here carefully. Here we can take the multiplication of numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Okay, after multiplying these, here we get 13 8 ja, yes, 104 over 11 2 ja 22. Okay, students, here we get 104 over 22. Listen, look at here carefully. We know that here given that 8 and here given that 2. Okay, we know that 2 is divisible by 8 is divisible by 2. Okay, students, therefore 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. Okay, again we have to take the multiplication of 4 by 13 and 11 by 1. Okay, here we can write 4 into 13 over 11 into 1. 4 3 ja 12, 12 of 2 carry 1, 4 1 ja 4 plus 1 is 5 over 11 1 ja 11. Okay, understand? Distance, look at here carefully. Here given that 52 over 11, it means that this is an improper fraction, therefore we have to change the given improper fraction into a mixed fraction by taking the division of 52 by 11. 11 4 ja 44. Okay, here we get 2 and here 4. We know that here we have to take one borrow from this 5 and this 2 makes 12. 12 minus 4 is 8, and here we get 4 in place of 5. 4 minus 4 is 0, it means that cancel out. Okay, it means that after solving these, here we get 4 mixed 8 over 11. 8 over 11. Okay, students, this is the answer of question number 28 of 3. Okay, if any student have doubt in this question, please ask me. Now read this. Okay, students, now let's start question number 28 of E. 16 whole 1 over 2 of 10 over 17, and question number 28 of F. Here given that 19 over 1 by 5 of 20 over 3. Dear students, question number 28E and 28F, do it yourself in math homework. Okay, if any student have doubt in this question, please ask me. Okay students, now let's start question number 29. Question number 29. Question number 29. Write the reciprocal of each of the following. Write the reciprocal of each of the following. Okay, students. Dear students, look at here carefully. Dear students, what okay students, look at here carefully. In question number 29 have 4 part. Okay, question number 29 of A, 29 of B, 29 of C, and 29 of D. Look at here carefully. Here given that 2 over 11, here given that 4 mixed 1 over 4, 2, 11 over 16, and 7 mixed 2 over 5. Okay students, you know about reciprocal. Dear students, if we have to change numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator, then we get reciprocal of given number. Okay, it means that reciprocal of given fraction. Suppose that here given that A over B, then the reciprocal of A over B is equal to, this one we have to change this denominator into numerator, and here we can write A. Okay, understand? Similarly, we can solve all given questions. This ones we know that if we have to change in given fraction, if we have to change numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator, then we get reciprocal of the given fraction. Okay students, look at here carefully. Here given that 2 over 11, it means that here we can write 11 in numerator and 2 in denominator. Understand? Then we get the reciprocal of 2 over 11 is equal to 11 over 2. Understand? Similarly, in question number C, look at here carefully. Here given that 11 over 16, therefore the reciprocal of 11 over 16 is equal to, here we can write 16 over here 11. It means that here we can write 16 in numerator and 11 in denominator. Okay, then we get the reciprocal of this number. Understand? Just look in this question. Here given that 4 mixed 1 over 2. Firstly, we have to change this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Okay, then apply this method. Understand? Look at here carefully. Here given that 4 mixed 1 over 2. 2 4 ja 8, 8 plus 1. 2 4 ja 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 over 2. Here we get, after solving this, here we get 9 over 2. Okay? It means that the reciprocal of 9 over 2 is equal to, here we can write 2 over 9. Okay, students? The reciprocal of 9 over 2 is equal to 2 over 9. This is the answer. Here given that 7 mixed 2 over 5. Firstly, we have to change the given mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Okay? 5 7 ja 35. 5 7 ja 35. 35 plus 2. 35 plus 2 is 37 over 5. Then the reciprocal of 13 over 17 is equal to 5 over 7. 37. Okay, it means that here we have to write 5 in numerator and 37 in denominator. Okay, students? Understand? This is the reciprocal of 13 over 5. Clear? If any student have doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Now read this. Okay, listen, this is very most important topic. Now let's start question number 29 completed. Now let's start question number 30. Question number 30. Find. This is in question number 30 have 6 part. Question number A is 7 over 9 divided by 5 over 3. In question number B, here given that 22 divided by 2 over 11. Distance, look at here carefully. This is very most important question. Here given that 7 over 9 divided by 5 over 3. Distance, firstly we have to change this division mark into a multiplication sign. Okay, firstly we have to change this division sign into multiply sign. Okay, dear sons, after using this property we have to change this fraction into a reciprocal of 5 over 3. Understand? Look, firstly we have to change this division into multiply sign. Here we can write 7 over 9 as same. If we have to take multiply sign in place of division sign, then we can change this fraction into reciprocal of 5 over 3. It means that here we can write 3 in numerator and 5 in denominator. Okay? Understand? It means that this is the reciprocal of this number. Reciprocal of 5 over 3 is 3 over 5. Clear? Okay. Look, recalls table of 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. Understand? Here we get 7 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 5. After look at here carefully. Here we have to take the multiplication of 7 by 1. 7 1 ja 7 and 3 5 ja 15. Then the answer is 7 over 15. Clear? This is the answer. This is the answer of question number 30 of A. Okay. Look, in question number 30 of B, here given that 22 divided by 2 over 11. Firstly, we can write 22 and here we can take multiply sign in place of division sign. Then we have to write the reciprocal of 2 over 11 is 11 over 2. This one look at here carefully. Here given that 2 in numerator, therefore here we can write 2 in denominator parts. Okay, and here given that 11, therefore we can write 11 in numerator. Clear? Similarly, we can solve all given questions. Recalls table of 2, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. 11 1, here we get 11 into 11 over 1. 1 is nothing, it means that 11 ja 121. This is the answer of question number 30 of B. Okay. Okay, students. Now read this. Similarly, we can solve all given questions. Okay. Now let's start question number 30 of C. Here given that 5 mixed 7 over 10 divided by 4 mixed 1 over 8. Question number D. Here given that 8 mixed 1 over 3 divided by 10 by 1 10. Okay, students, look at here carefully. In this question, here given that 5 mixed 7 over 10 divided by 4 mixed 1 over 8. Firstly, we have to change the given mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Look, 10 5 ja 50, 50 plus 7 is 57 over 10. It means that here we can write 57 over 10 divided by 8 4 ja 32, 32 plus 1, 32 plus 1 is 33 over 8. Okay. Okay, students, look at here carefully. Here we can write 57 over 10 as same. Here we can take multiply sign in place of division sign. Then we can take the reciprocal of 33 over 8 is 8 over 33. Look at here carefully. Here we can write the factor of 57. Okay, 57 is 3 multiplied by 19, 19 3 ja 57, and here 10, 2 5 ja 10, 8 is equal to 2, 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 33 is equal to 3 11 ja 33. Okay. Okay, so therefore here we can write 3 multiplied by 19 in place of 57. Here we can write 2 multiplied by 5 in place of 10, and here we can write 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 11. Okay. Here 2, here we get 2 cancel out, here we get 3 cancel out. Okay, students, it means that above solution plus this solution are same. Clear? Look, here we get 19 multiplied by 2 2 ja 4 multiplied by 5 4 into 11, 5 into 11. Okay. After multiplying these, we get 19 4 ja 76 over 5 11 ja 55. Okay, students, it means that here we get 76 over 55. This is an improper fraction. Therefore, we can change this improper fraction into a mixed fraction by taking the division of 76 by 55. 55 1 is 55. After subtracting these, here we get 21. Okay, then the answer is 1 mixed 21 over 1 whole 21 over 55. Okay, this is the answer of question number 30 of C. Okay, students. Similarly, we can solve question number 28 of D. Look, here given that 8 mixed 1 over 3 divided by 10. Firstly, we can write this into an improper fraction. Okay, 3 8 is 24, 24 plus 1 is 25 over 3 divided by 10. Distance, here we can write 10 by 1 in place of 10. Okay, if we have to take the multiplication sign in place of division sign, then we can take the reciprocal of 10 by 1 in this. Okay, therefore here we can write 1 over 10. Okay, distance, it means that the reciprocal of 10 over 1 is 1 over 10. Clear? We know that 5 5 is 25 over 3 multiply by 1 into 2 5 is 10. Here we get 5, here we get 5, 5 5 cancel out. Okay, then we can write 5 into 1 over 3 into 2, 3 into 2, 5 1 is 5 over 6, 3 2 is 6. Okay, this is the answer of question number 30 of D. Understand? Similarly, we can solve all given questions. Now read this. Okay, students, question number 30 of E is 6 whole 5 over 7 divided by 12 over 7, and question number 30 of F is 10 over 19 divided by 20 over 7. Okay, students, do it yourself. In maths homework. Question number 20, question number 30E and question number 30F. Do it yourself in maths homework. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, dear students, please write given classwork and homework in your maths fair copy. Okay, and after completed the given classwork and homework, please send on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, students, thank you.